Today, we will talk about how to prepare for a drought. Let's have a look at the details. Droughts are prolonged periods of less than average rainfall. They can last from several weeks to years, causing significant hardship due to a lack of water for drinking, cleaning, and watering crops. If you live in a drought-prone area, it will help if you take a few measures to ensure that you and your community are as prepared as possible if a drought hits. The first step is gathering emergency water. Put a water rationing plan in place in the event of a water shortage. Serious droughts can result in water shortages that could last weeks or months. With proper rationing and conservation, however, you and your household can hold out for several weeks on stored drinking water. If you live in a drought-prone area, it would be a good idea to have a plan in place for what you'll do in the event of a drought. By drawing up a plan, you and your family can be prepared for when a drought does hit. Humans require about 3/4 gallons of water daily just to live, including water usage for sanitation. You should plan on each person in your household using a gallon of water per day. Keep this figure in mind when stocking or gathering water. Stock your home with bottled water. Remember that each person in your home will require at least a gallon of water daily. To be properly prepared, have enough bottled water to last your entire household for at least a week. This water should be used as a last resort in a drought. Use it only if drinking water gets cut off entirely. Install a rain catch system. Thousands of gallons of water fall on your property every year. Take advantage of this by harvesting some of it. You can stock this rainwater for drought conditions by using it to water your lawn and cleaning. In the meantime, you can use it to take a good chunk out of your water bill. Installing one is easy. The second step is conserving water in your household. Check for and repair any leaks in your home. Leaky pipes can waste thousands of gallons of water per year. Not only will this waste precious water if a drought hits, but it will run up your water bill during normal times. Thoroughly check your home for any leaks and repair them to increase your preparedness for a drought. Check the faucets in your kitchen and bathrooms. Also look at the handles of faucets, since water can escape here as well. Install water-efficient appliances. Household appliances often use much more water than they have to. Upgrade certain appliances in your home to water-efficient versions to save money and conserve water in the event of a drought. You can get a low-flow shower head to save water while you shower. Install a low-volume toilet to avoid wasting water while flushing. Turn the water off when not in use. Reuse water that would have been wasted. There are numerous ways that household water gets wasted. Instead of letting water flow down the drain, collect it and put it to better use. Place a bucket in the sink or shower when you do this. Then use that water for plants, so you don't have to use the hose. Water your lawn sparingly. Overwatering your lawn is a big waste of water. Lawns usually only need to be watered once a week during the summer. Also, don't water if you've had heavy rain recently. And the third step is preparing the community. Participate in meetings about water conservation. Do all you can to promote efficient water usage. Give suggestions if you have them, and, if you think it's necessary, organize local citizens to campaign for certain changes. Campaign the local government to practice water conservation. Push for laws to control and clean pollution. Water pollution is a big problem if a drought hits. The community will have less water it can use in the event of rationing. If local rivers, streams, and lakes are polluted, it is a matter of public interest to clean up local water sources to prepare for a drought. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.